Hey guys, it's your best friend Kelly here. Yeah, I'm just looking into a mirror because my phone wouldn't let me film on the other side. Everything's black on the other side, like my soul. Let's go. Okay. So, we're into the light, and right now I'm just bored. Oh, there's Bo. Just digging up his garden. And yeah, just that guy over there. Right over there. That's him doing very, very, very weird stuff. Digging up his garden. Really. Okay, let's get on. And, okay. So, this is when. Sorry, that is way too close to my head. So sorry, I just cannot see anything that I am doing. Okay, so, wait, no, not again, no. Teleportation. That really didn't like, didn't it? Editing. Yay! Now this one should work. Not again. Editing with Catty Meows. Pretty much. No, this should be it. Troubles of the YouTuber. Sleepy Sunday. Let's try this again. And sort of worked. Let's go. Oh, let's show you my picture. I've been doing this for pretty much every day at school. I can teach you guys in another video. Maybe Curry Tuesdays or Nine Mondays. Did I just show you now? Okay. Let's see how the hell this works out. Hello. Okay, so we need to make this. And we're going to have to use this side. Terrible! Okay. So first, you go down. Like so. You probably cannot see this at all. Trouble with the YouTuber. Then you do a dip. And then you line it up. Dip and then line up. That's what it should look like so far. This is so hard. Oh, you probably didn't even see that. Impossible to see. Trouble with the YouTuber. Okay. Now we do the pupils. So we do a line, C, and then line. Pretty much it. It's kind of simple. Go at my school, really annoying. She cannot do it at all. I tell you, if you're watching this, you're a bitch. And you guys probably can't even hear me. Troubles of YouTuber, I guess. Yeah, you definitely cannot hear me what I just said. Okay, I just said troubles of a YouTuber. Trouble. A lot of troubles. Anyway, you go line, do this type of stuff, make it look a bit better. And then you do little inner curls here. Trouble-loving YouTuber.
Indy eyes in the backyard.
Mother, trouble-loving YouTuber. I'm just going to say that every time something goes wrong. And then you start doing lines on each side, I'll show you. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. The circle. That. Trouble the YouTuber. That's what line should look like. Now it's time to colour these and the pupils there. Don't colour in circles. That's a no-no. Trouble the YouTuber. Misunderstanding. Just wait a while. This won't take as long as it did for me to do the other one because this one will have a whole heap of white spots in it. The other one didn't. Troubles of a YouTuber. Oh, I hope this video works. I'm so sorry for the bad quality. I have to use my phone. Troubles of a YouTuber. Okay, there's a colour of the pupils. It should look like that. It's time to do the eyeliner. That's it. It just makes the cat eyes look bigger. Cats don't actually wear eyeliner. Kids, don't put eyeliner on your cat. Bad for them. Troubles of a YouTuber. I never misunderstanding. You're probably only seeing the side of my face. Troubles of a YouTuber. Cameras. Troubles of a new YouTuber. Not knowing how to do a time lapse. Okay, that's what it should look like so far. Now you need a green pencil and colour it all except for the white dot. That's why, the white circle. That's why the white circle's there. So it can add touch to it. Later on it should look like that, but let's do it anyway. Troubles of a YouTuber. Not looking the exact same thing as you showed everyone. Cat eyes. Oh, yes, don't forget to do the tiny little nose. That's so adorable. You just do a line. Some line. And then make it into a tiny little triangle. So adorable. And then color it in. There. You have your own cat eyes. Anime cat eyes. You could probably not see any of that because since my camera's turned around, you cannot see. I cannot see anything. Sorry, too close. Troubles of a YouTuber. Especially new one. That's what a bad one should look like. This is what a good one should look like. Bad, good. Bad, good. Bad. Yep. 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 let's move on to saying our goodbyes. And thank you for coming to a Sleepy Sunday with Cat and Meows. And you know what? Chase your dreams, be yourself. And don't forget, there's always troubles of a YouTuber. Always. Bye guys. Teddy out. Oh, what? Still here. Still here. Still here. Caddy. Still here. Still here. You know what? No, that didn't work. Caddy.